Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel of CLE Degree College. In the previous class, we have discussed regarding the meaning and definition of a banker. Today, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of banking as well as the definition of banking. So first of all, we shall discuss what does banking mean? Here, banking is an industry that handles the cash and credit and other financial transactions. So here banking is what? Banking is an institution. It is industry which is engaged in cash and credit. And it is engaged even in providing the various financial services to the people. So in the sense, the cash credit means the banks are getting or collecting the money from the general public in the form of current accounts, in the form of SB accounts, in the form of FD accounts. And whatever the amount which have been collected, they are gathered and that is utilized for lending, advancing to the people who are in need of finance. So in this way, in simple terms, banking is an industry which is or which handles the cash, and even it provides the credit, that is loans, advances to the people, and even it is engaged in providing the various other financial transactions. So various financial services are being provided by the organization, that is banking organization or institution. Especially the banks are providing various financial services to the people who are in need. They are engaged in providing the insurance services. Even they are providing the various services considering the money market and capital market. They are receiving the dividends, interest, etc. So in this way, many type of financial services are being provided by this particular banking. So this is regarding banking. The next, coming towards the definition of banking. So what does this particular banking defines, and it is being defined by the Banking Regulation Act 1949 section 5. So here banking means accepting the money for the purpose of lending or investments of deposits of money from the public which are repayable on a demand or otherwise is withdrawable by check, draft, order and otherwise. So see, so in this particular definition, clearly they have defined this particular banking term. So here this definition has been given by the Banking Regulation Act 1949 according to section 5. So what does it says? Here banking means accepting the money. Here banks, what they do? They are going to collect the money from the general public. They are going to open an account, various accounts through which they are gathering the funds, like they are getting the accounts of SB account, fixed deposit account, current account, various types of accounts are being opened for the general public. So through that means they are accepting the money from the general public. And that whatever the money is being collected, that will be utilized for lending. And investment of deposit of money. So they are not only provided or lended to the needy persons, but also whatever the amount which has been collected by the bank, they are further utilized for the investment purpose, and these investments are repayable on demand or otherwise withdrawable by checks, draft, order and otherwise. So, in the sense, here the banks are accepting the deposits from the general public, and even whatever the deposits which are being accepted by the bank, they are utilizing for lending, they are utilizing it for the advancing to the needy persons. And here the people who have deposited the amount, the money in the banks, that can be provided or that can be repayable on the demand. So, when the demand is there from that particular depositors, so bank has to provide that particular money. Okay. So, by which means that money will be provided? It is withdrawable by check, and it is withdrawable by draft, and even the order or otherwise. So, in this way we come to get this particular meaning of this particular banking. I hope you got this particular the meaning as well as the definition of banking. So, in the next class we shall go through the next aspect. So, for today, thank you one and all.